Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style with hidden value. Back to our document, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS border style of none, right? And right now we'll be discussing about something special again, which is the border style of hidden. Let's give this value to hidden. Let's change this to hidden. I'll change this to hidden. Don't let me forget to use hidden right here because we are discussing about hidden now. So I'm going to discuss about the hidden right now. So let's save our document and see what we got quickly. Can you see now our body element is not having any border style, right? Let's say we change this hidden to solid. I want you to see what will happen when we change this to solid. Can you see we're having border style of solid, right? But when we change this to hidden, we will not have any border style. Can you see? The funniest part is that the body style element is not the body style property of hidden is not reflecting inside the child element also, but it's just working on the first element that you specify it in. Let's say for instance now we use our field set element right here. Let's use our field set element right here. We specify it inside our field set element. Can you see our field set element is no more having any border style, right? Now this border style has gone, right? It's gone, right? Let's now change this to what? Let's change it to solid, so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's reload. Can you see we're having border styles there? Can you see? And also then I'll bring this back to our body element right here. Let's use body. When we specify our body selector, can you see now our body element is the one that is not having the border style, but our default fit set element is not having the default border style. As you can see, it's looking nicely, right? So please practice this because practice makes perfect. And I want to show you one thing again. Let's say inside our legend right here also we can specify border style if we want. Let's use border style. We can specify border style of solid. Let's use solid here so you can see what I'm talking about right here. Load your document. Can you see we're having border style inside our playlist right here? As you can see, the way it's looking nice, right? It's looking nice. So you can do anything you want with this, and also we can give it color also if you want. Let me just give it color red or color blue. Let me give this color blue. I like gold, but I'll give it color blue. Let's reload our document. Can you see we are having this in our document now? So that is the benefit of using the border style. You can have different border you want. This is the border style we are talking about now. So please, I want you guys to practice this because practice make perfect. Practice make what? Make perfect. There's no way you can understand this deeply unless you're practicing this. Please take note. So as you can see, our border style inside this one now is having none value, right? But our body element is inside our body element. Well, let's say we specify fit set. Our fit set element, also our fit set element. Can you see all our fit set element is not having any border again? Can you see? But only our legend element is the one that is having, definitely is not inheriting the fit set border, is having its own border. So that's the benefit of using this all this together and practice this, because if you don't practice it, know how you can know all this. As you can see, as I'm doing this, please practice this. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.